Hey everyone, this is Frugal Panda here with a quick review of a privacy tent. This is a tent I would use for as a shower tent or a bathroom tent for camping, but you can use it as a changing tent, things like that. And I firmly believe you can use this as a changing tent, even though you're seeing this review of me opening it out in here in my backyard. I've actually already taken this camping with me and used it as a shower tent. It does not show the silhouette of someone, say you were in it with a light or anything like that. So you see the silverish material on the inside. I believe that has something to do with it. As you can see, it comes with guidelines. It comes with the stakes, directions. Read the directions. They're pretty simple and straightforward in regards to, most importantly, it's for folding it back up at the end, because folding these up can be a challenge if you don't do it correctly. It also came with a little, looks like a little shower bag, and actually that's what it is, a little more water resistant bag. You can keep your toiletries in it and stuff like that. It has zippers on the side so you can run, you can run a, so an example, in my pop-up camper, I have a shower hose that you can pull through there, and that's exactly what it was used for, to bring it through there, or it can bring it through the top as well. What I like about this instant tent in comparison to another one I have, an older green one, is it's much larger. They say it's like a two-person, so two people can be in it at the same time. Yeah, if they're really small, let's be honest, but this one was much larger than my other ones. It's 74.8 inches, around 75 inches high, 42.7 inches long and wide, so width-wise at its widest part. It's waterproof material. I say waterproof or resistant. As you see, I can stand in it. This one was much easier to utilize when we went camping and stuff for as a shower tent, to be honest with you. I could move around without touching the sides, which my other one, it's really hard to move around without touching the side, and it was much more water resistant than my older instant tent like this. As well as it's not super heavy or anything like that. And also they claim it can block up to 80% of harmful UV rays from the sun. Whether that's true or not, whatever, I'm just using it for a shower. As you can see, it has the top that you can unzip as well. You can roll up the front and actually tie it off, so that's pretty cool too. But it has zippers to put it all the way down, so you can use it as either or. It does not have a bottom, which I'm okay with that. I don't care about that as much as because of what I'm using it for. It came with blue. That was a blue it came in, but it had other colors like orange, like a pink color, green, and black. I went with the blue color this time. I think it was on sale too. And as it says, 4 tent nails or stakes comes with it, and pull cords or guidelines, whatever you want to call them, comes with it. As the material seemed pretty good. The last one I had, which I still have, my green one, which is smaller than this one, I've had it, I can't even tell you how many years I've had that one, a very, very long time, and it still works fine. Now, here we go, folding it up. Read the directions. It makes life so much easier. You're not seeing me do it the first time where it took me, and I still couldn't get it until I actually read the directions. And you see, you fold it one end to the other, like that, and then it just starts going together just like that. And you hold it, and it's pretty painless putting it back in the actual carrying case that it comes with. Yeah, it was a lot easier, but you didn't get to see my bloopers of how long it took me not doing it right until I finally looked at the directions. Put it like that, and then you just zip it all up just like that. You're good to go. I mean, that was pretty painless, actually reading the directions. And here you go. Here's an example of me just walking with the bag. It has a little carrying case which you put it in, and that's just how it works. Anyways, Frugal Panda with a quick review of this cool little privacy tent. Amazon links will be in the description. Everyone, Frugal Panda is out. Thanks for watching.